Hello everybody, welcome back. How are you all? Think well. I'm also so today in this video, I think all of you have already understood watching the thumbnail and title. So in a previous video, I worked with a project like how to execute a phone numbers details, like country, operator, and time zone. So today in this video, I'm gonna go with the existing project and I'm gonna add some new codes to see the phone numbers location in a Google map. So it's gonna be crazy because I've never done it. It's my first time and I'm gonna share this experience with you, and you should try it with your phone number because don't try others that can be so leave the matter and start the video. So first of all, open Visual Studio, and at the main point, these are the existing codes. If you understand nothing of this, so you have to watch the previous video to understand every single things that I have explained in my previous video. So now here, from the point that I'm gonna start right now, that first we'll have to install a package. The package will be all about what the package would be. OpenCage. Just install the package. So I think it's installed. Now just simply type import OpenCage, and it has imported. And now from opencage.geo, what the hell? Opencage.geocoder, import OpenCage geocode. Means from the package we installed, import this. We don't need the entire package. And simply write here key is a variable that we have taken as wish. You can even take anything that you wish. Now we'll have to have an account on opencagedata.com, and we'll have to have a free account on this site. Then hit to Geocoding API, then just scroll down and you'll receive an API. So just don't try my API because your API will be different. Each APIs will be different from each other. So try your own creating an account on pancakesdata.com. Now here we'll have to take a variable geocoder and simply wait a while. And a geocoder, it's a variable, and now inside the variable we'll have to write like let's type what do you have to where the cursor is, geocode pancake pancake, the key means this variable. And now where's another variable we're going to take is query, and string is gonna be location, and this location is this location. Every single line codes has a relationship between the latter line codes, means this line has a relationship with this. So don't try to skip any part of this video because each line, even each letter, can be important for you also. One more variable results is gonna be geocoder.geocode, and here the string formatted variable is gonna be query, and just simply print results. This should be printed. Now if you run the program, so how it will look like. So we have got this, and just simply scroll up and you will see a latitude and a longitude. So now just comment it. Now I'll have to install another package named as like it's all about naming Folium. Just let it to be installed, and it has installed. So now simply import it. Folium, import Folium, and right here take a variable my map equals to Folium dot map. It would be map, and inside it location equals to uh, before this line we'll have to write another two lines that all about latitude and longitude. That is, take a variable named lat, and here you'll have to type like results is equals to 0, and it's gonna be geometry, and this is gonna be about lat, and just copy the same and just replace 80 with ng to convert it latitude to longitude. So these are two lines that we needed, and simply now type here and longitude. Okay, and here print. Remove this line, and let's run it and see is there any errors or not. We got our latitude and longitude just there in our previous turn, or when we took or we run the program, then we got a lot of details about the program, but right now we got just two numbers, which is all about latitude and longitude. Now according to Folium package, take a variable named by my map, Folium dot map, and it's gonna be location equals to longitude, and just use comma and write zoom star 9, and another line is all about Folium dot marker. Is a marker is a function, and type here latitude and longitude, and a pop up is location, the variable you know. There's a error, so I'm gonna fix it up. So we'll have to write it inside this. Now okay, add to, and this should be add to my map variable, you know, as well. This should be add to my map, the variable we took in the previous line. So now we'll have to save the file. So for it, my map dot save. How to save it? My location, and remember that the extension of this file have to be in HTML. So I think our project is done. So now if we wish to run this, so run it. First of all, see that there's no HTML folder arrived. Now click on this and you'll see that it's completely HTML full not folder file, and inside it our map exists. So refresh, and if I open it through Now you can see, since I'm from Bangladesh, so it's all about Bangladeshi, and if you're from another country, you won't understand anything else. So expand, zoom, and see your location. So try with your own course. And these are all about Google Map. I think Google Map is known to everyone. And these are another countries. This India. So leave it at all. So this was our video, that how can you track a phone number, or you can see a phone number's live location. So I think this video is crazy because I haven't tried this kind of projects ever in my life. This was the first time, and I have shared it with you. There may be a lot of mistakes in my course, or there may be confusions in my course. If you have any confusion, comment me below. I'll clear everything with a new fresh video. So for the video, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.